Students, in the previous topic, we have studied when current flowing through a coil changes, an EMF is induced in the coil which opposes the change of the current in the coil. This phenomenon is called self-induction. Similarly, if two coils, primary and secondary coils, are kept close to each other and current flowing in one coil is changed, EMF is produced in the neighboring coil. The phenomena is called mutual induction. To the point, we can say whenever current changing in one coil, EMF is induced in the neighboring coil, the phenomena is called mutual induction. Say at any time, current in the primary coil is IP and the magnetic flux linked with the secondary coil is phi s, then phi s is proportional to IP, or phi s is equal to M into IP. What is M? M is called coefficient of mutual induction. We know according to Faraday's law, E is equal to d phi upon dt. So we have written ES. ES means EMF induced in the secondary coil is equal to change of flux upon time. That is d by dt. Phi s is equal to MIP. So ES is equal to M dip upon dt. Using Lenz's law, you can write ES is equal to minus M dip upon dt. Suppose students, dip upon dt, that is rate of changing of current in primary coil is 1 ampere per second, then ES is equal to EM. Coefficient of mutual induction of two coils is numerically equal to EMF induced in secondary coil when the current in the primary coil is changing at a rate of 1 ampere per second. Now the unit, SI unit of mutual induction is same as that of self-inductance, that is Henry. 1 Henry is equal to 1 volt upon 1 ampere per second. Mutual inductance of two long solenoids is 1 Henry. If current changing in primary coil at a rate of 1 ampere per second induces an EMF of 1 volt in the secondary coil. The dimension of mutual inductance are same as that of self-inductance.